In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can migrate to Ireland and become a permanent resident. So if you have interest in migrating abroad to settle, then you may want to watch this video. I'm going to show you actual jobs you can apply to migrate to Ireland. Ireland is an EU country and is the only English-speaking country in the EU. So if you're from an English-speaking country, I know you would like to migrate to Ireland. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do that and how to settle in the country. Basically, I am more interested in the path to permanent residency, and that is basically what I'm going to be talking about in this video. So you want to watch this video to the end so you don't miss any information at all, because it's going to be loaded and every minute counts. So do watch this video to the end if you're interested in this. If we are just meeting, my name is Jackie and you're welcome to my channel where I share content to help you migrate abroad, to study, to work, and to live. My mission on this channel is simple. I want to help you improve your quality of life by opening your minds to opportunities available to you abroad. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then do subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you know every time I share a new video. My returning subscribers, I can't forget you. Thank you so much for all the support. Thank you for all that you do, always coming back to watch my channel, sharing my videos with others. The likes, the comments, the support has been massive. Thank you so much for that. And if you've been watching my videos for a while and you're yet to subscribe, it will mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel. So if you watch more than one video, it's obvious you like my content, so please subscribe to my channel. I really like to have you as a subscriber. You can let me know in the comments if you just subscribe to my channel so I can welcome you specially. Thank you so much. So the pathway to Ireland I'm going to be talking about in this video is a critical skills work permit. On this pathway, you don't need sponsorship. You can sponsor your way down to Ireland, but you need a job offer. All you need is an employment contract from a company in Ireland, but you don't necessarily need their sponsorship. All you need is your employment contract, and then you apply for your visa and move down to Ireland. So I want to show you jobs that you can apply to, to take advantage of this visa. Not everyone is eligible for this pathway. This pathway is specifically for those that have critical skills. Ireland has a list of critical skills occupations, just like the way the UK has a shortage occupation list. So this is the one for Ireland. It's called the critical skills occupation list. By the way, I have other videos on this particular pathway. I have a playlist on them. There are about 3 videos in that playlist. So you may want to watch those videos to get all the details about this pathway. I'm not going to be repeating myself in this since I've already done videos about that. So you can check up here for the link, and it'll also be in the description box below. So do watch those videos. There are 3 of them. So watch all of them so you can have a full understanding of what this pathway is all about. In those videos, I have everything about the pathway. I have the list of critical skills occupations, so you can check if your occupation is listed in that list. And then I also have another video where I talk about the recruitment agencies in Ireland, like top recruitment agencies in Ireland that can help you get a job. Those agencies are so wonderful. They do a very good job in finding placement for foreign workers. So watch that video, get all those information about the agencies and job sites as well that you can, check for jobs in Ireland. Those 3 videos are so loaded, so loaded. You need to watch them. And then after watching that, you can come back here and see the jobs that are available right now that you can apply to today. But you need to check if your occupation is on the list. That is very important because not everyone is eligible for this. So I don't want to go into the list here because I just want to focus on showing you jobs. So yeah, I don't want the video to be too long and boring. So let me just focus on jobs in this video. So go watch my previous videos to get all the information you need to know about this pathway. And if you have interest in starting a YouTube channel, or you're already a creator on YouTube and you want to learn how to run your channel more successfully, I have a channel for that. The name is Jackie Finance. On that channel, I share content, basically my secrets and strategies on how to run a successful YouTube channel. So you may want to subscribe to Jackie Finance so you can learn how to run your channel successfully. And also on that channel, I'll be sharing how to make money online. So I'm going to be sharing other side hustles you can do online to create multiple streams of income. So that channel is all about everything finance. So if you're interested in that, then do subscribe to Jackie Finance. I'll be linking it up here and in the description box as well. Thank you so much. All right, so let me quickly show you the jobs. The first one here is Senior Occupational Therapist, and it's with St. Paul's. This is the therapists who have responsibility for the provision of specialized service to children with a diagnosis of autism and an intellectual disability aged between 3 to 18 years who attend St. Paul's Special School. This role also involves provided consultation support to St. Paul's Child and Family Care Center's respite services. I found this job on Indeed. The Indeed website for Ireland is ie.indeed.com. So you can go search for this job and find it and then apply for it. All the jobs I'm going to be showing you in this video, the links are in my Telegram channel. The second job on my list is Executive Architect, and this is with the local government jobs in Ireland. This job was advertised just yesterday, October 17, and it's gonna close on October 27, so you may wanna apply for it as soon as possible. So what are the duties of this post? Carrying out of regulatory and enforcement duties for the local authority, the provision of architectural and other advices to the local authority, the supervision and contract administration and procurement of construction, operations and maintenance schemes, and some others. The list is quite long, so you may want to go through it and see for yourself. And then they also have the qualifications they are looking for, and it involves at least 4 years satisfactory experience of architectural work and others professional qualifications. So you may want to go check it and see if you qualify so you can apply for this job. They have an email address and a phone number here for inquiries. And the next job on my list is Art Director, and it's with Boulder Media. About us. Established in 2000, Boulder Media has become one of Ireland's largest animation studios. Boulder has produced many great shows including Foster's Home 4, Imaginary Friends, The Amazing World of Gumball, El Tiger, Wonder Over Yonder, and some other ones mentioned here, including Netflix hit feature film, My Little Pony, A New Generation. And so for this role, they're looking for an art director to join their incredible team on an exciting project. As the art director, you will draw upon your creativity and talent to develop the artistic style of the show. Using a creative brief written by the client and the show's director as your guide, you will develop the show from the initial script to screen. You will oversee all aspects of the creative visuals while managing a team of talented artists and ensuring that work is finished on schedule. You'll be joining a close-knit team of artists who will be proactive, driven, great at problem solving, and you will thrive collaborating with different teams within the business. This is a full-time specified purpose role with hybrid working arrangements that is a combination of both remote and in-studio working. Our studio is located in Dublin City Centre. And then for the qualifications, what they are looking for: a minimum of 5 years of experience in an animation production environment, minimum of 2 years of experience as an art director for a TV series or feature film, an outstanding knowledge of color, design, and composition, a strong understanding of the principles of both character and background design, fluent in English, both spoken and written. What they're offering is a competitive salary depending on skills and experience, 21 days holiday, paid sick leave, and some others. So you can go check it out and apply if you meet the description. The next job on my list is ICT Software Test Engineer. This job will be closing on the 1st of November, so you may want to apply for it immediately. So go to the website and check out the details of this role so you can apply for it. They're looking for at least 2 years experience of testing ICT systems using structured approaches to testing, including test preparation and execution and defect management, knowledge and understanding of testing strategy, planning and approaches, experience of automation, scripting and using test automation tools, and the ability to write automation script. A knowledge or understanding of the agri-food industry would be advantageous. So you can check it out and apply. The next job on my list is radiation therapist. This is closing on the 31st of this month, October. So you may want to go check it out and apply for it as soon as possible. And the next job on my list is electrical engineer, and the salary range is 43,000 euros to 51,000 euros a year. So here is the details of this job. You can see the key responsibilities and every other thing needed. So you can go through it and see all the details and the qualification and skills of the candidates they are looking for. So if you meet the description, then you can apply for the job. Alright, I hope this is useful. If you did like this video, do give it a like, that is a thumbs up, and share the video with others so they could take advantage of these opportunities right here. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.